Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Next one, a 5-digit number divisible by 6. Now we are given digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now given digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 means a number which is divisible by 6. A number which is divisible by 6, a number must be divisible by 2 and 3. Divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Okay, divisible by 3. First check divisible by 3. Sum of the digits, multiples of 3 are divisible by 3. Now here first to delete 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3. Now next to delete 3, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Now 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, 12. Now here also 12 is the divisible by 3. Now here first here case 1 delete 0, next to delete 3. Okay, case 1 delete 0. Delete 0 means now using digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 digit number means now you take 5 places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now using digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first place can be filled with a number which is divisible by 2. Unit place must be filled with even digit. Now here even digits 2, 4. Last unit place can be filled with 2. Now remaining 4 digits is there. Now here first place can be filled with 4 ways. Second place 3 ways. 2, 1. Now 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 4 factorial is equal to 24. Okay, next unit place can be filled with 4. Last place can be filled with 4. 4 means remaining 4 digits is there. Now here also first place can be filled with 4 ways. Now second 3, 2, 1. And here also 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial is equal to 24. Now total 48. Next case 2. Case 2. Now delete 3. Okay, delete 3. Means remaining digits delete 3 means 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Now you take 5 boxes or 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here also divisible by 2 means unit place can be filled with 0, 2 or 4. Okay. Unit place can be filled with 0. 0 means remaining 4 digits is there. First place can be filled with 4. Now here repetition is not allowed. Second place can be filled with 3 ways. 2, 1. Now here also 4 factorial is equal to 24 ways. 4 factorial is equal to 24 ways. Next one. Now unit place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here unit place can be filled with 2. Now here first place except 0, remaining 3 possibilities is there, 3. Now second place including 0 and here also 3. Now 2 and here also 1. Okay, 18 ways. Next unit place can be filled with 4. Okay, now here also except 0, Now here also first place can be filled with 3. Now including 0, now here 3. Now 2 and here also 1. And here also 18 ways. Total 24 plus 18 plus 18. Now here totals 60. Therefore, total number of 5-digit numbers divisible by 3. 5-digit numbers, therefore, required 5-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers divisible by 6 without repetition. 48 plus 60 is equal to 108. Total 108. Therefore, third one is the correct one. Third one is the correct one. Next one, the number of 7-digit number divisible by 9. Now formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 without repetition. Now we are given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9. Sum of the digits divisible by 9. Now here 7 digits should not contain, so 7 digit should not contain 18, 27, 36, 4, 5. Should not contain 18, 27, 36, 4, 5. Okay. Now you take 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, should not contain 18. 18 means now deleting 18, remaining digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Now here sum of the digits 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9, 36. Now 36 divisible by 9. 36 is divisible by 9. Okay, next, neglecting 27. 27 means 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. And here also sum of the digits 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9, 36. And here also divisible by 9. Next, neglecting 3, 6. 3, 6 means 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. And here also sum of the digits 36. 36 is also divisible by 9. Next, neglecting 4, 5. 4, 5 means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here also sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, 36. And here also divisible by 9. Now here 7 digits is there. 7 digits can be 7 places. 7 digits can be filled with 7 places, 7 factorial. And here also 7 digits can be filled with 7 places, 7 factorial. And here also 7 digits can be filled with 7 places, 7 factorial. And here also 7 digits can be filled with 7 places, 7 factorial. Therefore, 4 into 7 factorial ways. 4 into 7 factorial ways. Fourth one is the correct one. Fourth one is the correct one. Next one, the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 that are divisible by 2 or 5 is. Now required sum is equal to, okay, first divisible by 2. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to so on 100 plus, next divisible by 5. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus up to so on 100 minus, now LCM of 2 and 5, 10. Now 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus up to so on 100. Okay. Now here 2 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on 50. Now here 5 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on 20 minus 10 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on 10. Now 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on 50. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 means 50 into 51 by 2 plus 5 into 20 into 21 by 2 minus 10 into 11 by 2 is equal to, now here 2 to cancel, 2550 plus 1050, 2 ones 2 tens, 1050, 2 ones 2 fives, now minus 550, minus 550. Now total value 3050, 3050. Now option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, the number of all 5-digit numbers which are divisible by 4. Now we are given digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition. Now given digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5-digit number means now you take 5 places or 5 boxes. A number which is divisible by 4, last 2 digits multiples of 4 are divisible by 4. Now here last 2 digits multiples of 4. Now first you take 0, 4. 0, 4 now is a divisible by 4. Next 2, 0, 20 is a divisible by 4. Next 4, 0. 4, 0 means is divisible by 4. Okay. Now last 2 places can be filled with first case. Now 0, 4, 2, 0 or 4, 0. Now first place can be filled with, now 0, 4. Except 0, 4, 3 digits is there. First place can be filled with 3 ways. Now second place can be filled with, repetition is not allowed. Without repetition means repetition is not allowed. Second place can be filled with 2 ways. Third place can be filled with 1. Now here this one 3 ways. Now 3 into 2 into 1 into 3. Total 18 ways. Total 18 ways. Now case to now here last two places can be filled with 1 2, next 2 4 and 4 2, 3 2. 1 2, 1 2 clearly divisible by 4, 2 4 also divisible by 4, 3 2 also divisible by 4. Now last two places can be filled with 1 2, 2 4, 3 2. Now three ways. Now first place except 0. Now 0 is there, the number is not varied, except 0. Remaining 1 2. 1 2 means two possibilities is there, two digits is there, two possibilities is there. Now second place including 0 also two possibilities. Now here 1. Now total 2 into 2 into 1 into 3, 12. Therefore total 5 digit numbers divisible by 4 without repetition. Total 5 digit numbers divisible by 4 without repetition. 18 plus 12 is equal to 30 ways. Therefore option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one. Next one, numbers from 1 to 100 which are neither divisible by 2 nor 3 nor 7. Neither divisible by 2 nor 3 nor 7 means total minus divisible by 2 or 3 or 7 means neither divisible by 2 nor 3 nor 7. Now first we calculate divisible by 2 or 3 or 7. Divisible by 2 or 3 or 7. Now n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now n of 2 or 3 or 7. N of 2 or 3 or 7. Now step of 100 by 2 plus 100 by 3. Now we are divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by, let A, B, C. 100 by 2, 100 by 3, 100 by 7 minus 100 by LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 minus 100 by LCM of 3 and 7 minus 100 by LCM of 2 and 7 plus 100 by LCM of 2 and 3 and 7. 2 and 3 and 7. Now step of 100 by 2. Step of 100 by 2 plus 100 by 3 plus 100 by 7 minus LCM of 2 and 3. Now 100 by LCM of 2 and 3, 6. 100 by 6 minus 100 by 3 and 7, 21 minus 100 by 14 plus 100 by 237, 100 by 42, 100 by 42. Now step of 100 by 2. 100 by 2 means 50. Now 50 is an integer. Now step of 50 is equal to 50 plus 100 by 3. 100 by 3 means 33 point something. Step of 33 point something. 33 is an integer. Now 33. Step of 33.5 means 33. Therefore 100 by 3, 33 point something. Therefore that value is equal to 33. Next to 100 by 7. Now 14 point something. Now 14 minus. Now 100 by 6. 100 by 6 means 16 point something. Now 16 minus. Now 100 by 21, 4 point something 4 minus 100 by 14, 7 point something. Step of 7 point means 7 plus 100 by 42. Now 2 point something. Step of 2.2. Now total value is equal to 72. Total value is equal to 72. Therefore, neither divisible by required numbers, neither divisible by 2 nor by 3 nor 7 is. Now total 1 to 100, 100 minus 72, 100 minus 72 is equal to 28. Now second one is the correct one. Second one is the correct one.